Give me somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. This is Shelby from the future, so just pay me no mind. I forgot to intro the video, so this is what I'm doing as a professional YouTuber who takes her work seriously. Right. I left out something out of my last vlog that I want to put in this week's vlog, so yeah, here it is. Alright, so this is the last package that I have to open for today. And this is how big it is. And it's a painting. I know it's a painting because I've been waiting for it for the longest. Let's just go ahead and open it on now. So it came with some stuff for me to use when I want to hang it up and nail it into the wall. So it came with nails and like, what is this, like gloves and a pencil, measuring tape and all that stuff. So that's really cool. But now I want to show you the big reveal. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! It's so cute. Let me take these off. I love it, this cute little abstract piece, and this is hand painted, and this is from Eleanos Gallery.com. Pick up Eleanos anywhere them the hands. Anywhere them the dance, big them up. Literally feel the texture, you can feel every single thing on this. This is such high quality. And the wooden frame, I wanted it to be wooden because I could not decide between like gold or bronze or silver or anything like that. So I just stuck with the wooden frame. It has some weight to it. I absolutely love it. I don't even know where to put it. So remember I was saying I don't know where to put the painting. This is where my bed is, right? I'm going to eventually push the bed over into the corner because I want a nightstand to go right here. I don't want a nightstand in the corner. So above it is where I'm thinking of putting the painting. Like center it above the headboard. Because as you can see in here, I have the beige and the browns, and you already see the type of concept that I'm going with in here. So I think that it would be perfect to put over here, but Megan needs some help to put that up. But yeah, this is just where I'm thinking of putting it. But in the meantime, it's gonna go in the living room until I can figure that out. So in the meantime, this is where I put it because this is the only place that has like nails and it looks amazing. But it's so pretty. And it just, oh my God, I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, look at the texture. Eating. So now that you guys have gotten proof that the painting is actually really high quality and all of that, down over to the website www.eleanosgallery.com. The link will be in my description box, of course. These are some examples of the paintings that they have, and I just love that when you click on the product photos that it's different inspirations that you can use to tailor your own living space or wherever you decide to put the paintings. It has different sizes. It goes all the way up to, what is this, 80 by 60? I can't see, I'm kind of blind, so sit with me. And I love that it comes in either the canvas itself, or it gives you the options to get different colored frames. So you have black, wooden, silver, gold, or you can, just get the rolled one and do it yourself. They have previews before shipment. I really love this about them because before they shipped it to me, the person painted it and then they sent me a picture of it to see if I approve or if I needed anything to be touched up on it or whatever the case is. I love that they have the option for customization. It's just an extra step that you have to WhatsApp them and ask them for all of that. They have a lot of reviews, and the fact that it's 100% handmade, yeah, the process was very smooth. Once they showed you what it looked like and you approved, then they go ahead and ship it off through DHL. And when I got it, I love that the back of the painting was constructed well to the point that I could either hang it vertically or horizontally. In this case, my painting was a 32 by 32 inch, so it's a square. But if it was
a portrait, I could hang it up either way because of how it was made, especially because it came with the extra tools to help you out with that, so you can hang it easier. Absolutely love that. I thought that they were very thoughtful and considerate when they're putting the effort into these paintings. So yeah, so if you want some paintings from Eleanos Gallery, make sure you use my code and I'm Shelby for up to 40% off your order. So yeah, once again, thank you so much to Eleanos Gallery for sponsoring this section of the video.
Hey guys, so I'm still sick. Say hi. Say hi. Yay. Anywho, people must finally get my things. You want to run there? Yes, people, I finally got my stuff. My detained packages are finally here. It is what time? About 9 o'clock. And since night, I go for my things because I was determined by the hook or the crook. I'm gonna set it up now and let's go. Eden. Excuse from the side, gotta move. What are you doing? Excuse. Please and thank you. Before goofing your head up.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you don't know me, I'm Chanel. This is Eden. Bless you. He's not my little brother, by the way.
Who said that?
I feel like that.
Oh, that's what I was about to say. Did somebody actually say that?
No, sometimes I'm like, shit, this can't be my kid.
Oh, look at babies. Eden.
Come along, sir.
Sit down. Alright, where do I start? So guys, I got this couch from CostWay! Let's see. Come here, so. I'm using it here. Eden! Come down. Come on, come down. Okay, fine.
Eden.
Where am I for butter with it like I'm a little brother?
Sit down.
You feeling? Alright, what I think It's a little chaotic up in here, but you know, it is what it is.
Just let it play, Lito. Just walking on my phone and it said it needs space, so I hopped on a 4-5 and I'm speed racing. I just wish the only OGs it alleviate all your friends, fans, and names that they abbreviate. And I don't like that. You know I like thoughts. I'm about to pull up on the field with some white cross, baby. Expensive taste. These girls got expensive taste. Tryna hold my weight, but I don't really got the patience. She wanna what that's about. Friends for being friends, let's take another road. Skin for it, yeah, I know she from the south. Last night happened fast, I know you better know.
Good morning. Today I decided to stock up on some self-care stuff. I want to have a self-care night where I just do my everything. Shower, my full skincare routine, body care, make something nice to eat, chill in my living room, all of that stuff. Sit up on my nice new couch and clean up the place a little bit so I can just feel a little bit better about myself. Especially because I'm trying to get over this sickness or whatever. I feel like I'm getting a little bit better. Just a little bit. And I don't want to just stay home and just do nothing. I just want to start being productive again. Getting back on my Zoom. I took a long enough break. Even though I have been posting. I posted 2 videos already since the year started. But yeah, those 2 weeks that I was out for. Remember, I never said my better and I said I was getting there. So I still do have a cough and all of that. Let's just go. Hoping to have a good day. I get my hair done tomorrow. Hopefully if nothing changes. Because yeah, the whole hair situation with it falling out and all that stuff, I really need to know what's going on. Because I don't like what's going on. Let's see what the day has to offer. So guys, I reach. And guess what I have? Hey y'all. Your favorite's there. Period. You know, of course, man, for us scoop her up and say, get your ass.
No, literally, I've been scooped.
Get your
Right, man.
I've been scooped. We're gonna see what we can buy without going over the budget.
What's it budget?
I don't know.
It's still there.
I don't have one.
You
But
want to hear the
no.
lady people? Whatever my eye catch. I said,
That is necessary to the cause.
Just a girl, honestly.
No,
I don't know
whatever
what
my
else.
eye catch, that is necessary to the cause.
To the cause, right?
Right. I'm not gonna buy anything I don't
Need.
100% need.
100%
I might
operative phrase.
I might 50% need it.
Not you moving as we park.
Let's go.
Yeah.
One thing about my bag, it is going to fall.
Oh, jeez.
Them can make them space a little bigger still.
Yeah, I have more space on this side.
Oh, not me locking the car and the keys inside.
Excuse me?
I'm just a girl, bro. I'm just a girl.
I'm just a baby.
Yeah. I'm just a little girl, la. You know them tone. Oh. Hello. Y'all know that I'm going for a little blue theme. So first things first. You know the worst thing is, they're like, oh no, not recording. The thing is, I would have been like, people would have seen the store and be like, let me go shop there.
Every time I go there, I kind of have to be pulling teeth to get help. And you know, I usually have issues with the whole hair stuff, and I'm like, I don't know what I really need. I need it to help me.
Exactly. It's alright. See, if I'm about to put a little montage at the front, we're never going away. And I understand why people go to Fontana.
Unless you want to go discount. Discount is a little cheaper.
It's cheaper though?
It is cheaper than Fontana, but that's
Cheaper than
half a tree.
Fontana. Where's
Yeah,
this
cheaper
called?
than Fontana.
Alright, there you go.
That's half a tree by a plaza that's across from the Popeyes, or adjacent to the Popeyes. It's on the same side as
Trying to
Popeyes.
think of where to drive.
That's the only store I know, but I feel like they have
That's the
more.
only place I can think of right now. I think it just worked out because they didn't even have what I wanted anyway, so y'all ain't getting my money. Let's try this again. We're at Discount Beauty. I want them to tell me, put up my camera. Then me just take up my phone.
Yeah,
Because
because
no can't beat me.
right.
You can't beat me. Right?
Can't be that
Yeah, well,
deep.
I'm going to try to look style this time.
Yeah.
But now I go in with the camera in my face. I'm going to just go in and then reach when I call them. I take out the camera. Yeah, so.
And this store is bigger. And
Just sit up in the
We don't want to get catch. Girl bye.
Pinks.
Girl
Oh, see, here you
bye.
go. Jumbo size.
Okay, here we go. See that?
XL.
Okay, here we go, guys. This one or this one? Which one
I
cheaper?
don't want black.
$200 versus that one. No, that one look like better quality still.
Which one?
This one. This versus this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we gonna get this, right?
Blue them out.
We gonna get
Look
that.
if it's blue for real, because it just has blue on the cover. It's black.
Murder! Am I
You get
slow?
tricked too.
Oh my god, Michelle. Guys,
Oh, they're
it's
all
fully
black.
black. Wow,
Oh, wait,
okay.
no, this one is pink. Oh, there's blue.
Where? That's white.
Oh, white.
It's not, is this? Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Right,
I'll
we
go
got a
with
blue one. I need one of these. I should have really take up a basket, you know, coming around. If you
One
like
for your
say,
basket.
a thief, me a thief. I need an exfoliating gloves, but of course I need it in blue. So, let's see. They do have blue. There we go. We got blue.
I have a pink setting on, but it
Oh, you
needs to
don't-
change.
Oh, I'm gonna
Blue.
get. No, I need another set of blue. I'm gonna get another set of glue just to have, so I don't have to come back and buy. And I also need a loofah. Oh, this is a whole set of loofahs. I mean, not expensive still. This is $5.45 for like 3, which is not a bad deal. It's not a bad deal. So if I happen to see just a blue one though, I'll get it. But I'll just take all of these. No, just in time. Oh, I'll get this one.
Yeah, that's cute.
Please.
Can't pop up my phone.
Push. Okay. Alright, people, in the supermarket, we're just trying to get 1 or 2 things, literally. Alright, we're gonna need a little.
Let's get a little
Pen.
funny first.
I like these tiny ones. You
Yeah.
know? No, not tell me, yeah. Say, no recording. Come and
Recorded the
know.
last time, no?
Yeah, but I think, where did I go? Fresh foods, we thought we're not recording.
Oh, yeah. What you say I need now?
I want pancake mix,
Buttermilk or original?
buttermilk. I want a big one. No, that one there. Take this. A little top me up.
How about that look? Come on.
I'm trying to think what I need.
Look over there. You should get it because you're sick.
I don't want that shit. I don't want that. What is that?
Coconut water.
It's pink.
Because it's real. It's supposed to be
I've
pink,
never
you know?
seen pink.
Yeah.
Oh God. You ever see coconut water come out of jelly pink?
No,
Exactly.
but
I saw them trick on them.
no.
I saw society.
No, it's, let
trick
me
on
tell
them.
you, I don't remember the scientific explanation,
Right.
but it's,
Please
it's
explain.
the neutralization of the sugars in the coconut.
So why the one the red? Why the one?
No, that must be,
What?
I don't know.
So instead of you taking up the clear one, you decide to take
I
up the
want
pink,
the pink
one.
one.
Like yeah, get strawberry lemonade, coconut water.
Yes.
Natural hydration errors, 100% natural. Lie!
No, my
Lie!
Clear Country coconut water actually is pretty good.
I never said it's not good. I'm just saying.
Anyways, we're going to try it.
Okay.
So,
Let us say man. Just say that. I need cheese for my. I don't care.
oh. So you put on your coconut water, but meanwhile, you're not supposed to eat. So, how are you using?
God, I use it. I need my cheese. How else am I gonna make my pasta?
You really just eating pasta? Yeah, it's so now.
No. No. You know, I'm not a cup soup.
I used to get them, but too salty.
Too
salty.
I feel you. I wanted the other brand. I didn't want Bulldog.
Yeah, I remember.
They ain't got it.
I don't have it.
Boo. What's this? Shin noodles.
Try one.
I'ma try shin noodle.
Shin.
All right, chicken mince. That's it.
I have some spaghetti at home. I have been feeling for spaghetti and mince.
What? What's he doing with that? What are you using that for? I don't want it focus.
Come back! Come back!
No.
No, so why chicken so expensive? I can't believe it, like, you know, where everything is so expensive. Oh, saltfish. I don't want no saltfish. They ain't got none either. Because what is
You guys
this?
don't have any saltfish?
It's saltfish.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, thank you. See there?
Ready to toast the people.
You don't? Alright, it's one of these. Oh my god, the last time I was in the vlogs, I was really sure.
Really?
Oh,
when we went on the road, yeah, it's so true. I don't did my.
I ain't got no
anything,
clothes.
so there's that.
How should I do this? Should I just get one of those? Or should I just get two of these?
Oh, you can just get one of these, and then you can portion.
Yeah. Yeah.
You shop the opposite of how I shop. I prefer to get the big things and like the more things, and I just
It's because I
kind of
can't
use
bother.
from it. But yeah, no, and then you also don't need it.
Yeah. Like,
You need to change that.
is you gonna tell on me? Alright. A blue toothpaste. I have toothpaste. I guess I'll get one for him. I get two for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, if nobody come on me yet. But done. People, let's two little things. How did we get here? Come and know, this is not less than 10 grand, you know. Me know.
Yeah, it's about.
You just go.
The chicken
Oh shit, the kombucha.
and the cheese.
Yeah, this is a,
Why
yeah.
the cheese not sealed? I'm sealing the cheese as I'm pressing it.
This is a proper 10 grand deal.
You want to put back some things? You can put back coconut water.
I will not. Two little things, people. Two little things. Home sweet home. I spent $16,000 on this. What to do? I had to do it. It was necessary, so yeah, I'm gonna unpack and then I'll give you a haul. Okay. No, it's just mostly like the flaking every now and then. But yeah.
Alright, so you have to use the Niger salt first.
Mm-hmm.
Make it sit on and then you use the hydrating one here.
Yeah, what a piece of work.
Hydrating shampoo.
Okay.
And then
Step
hydrating
one.
shampoo. 2.
Okay.
So alright. So you shampoo your ear twice or 3 times. You can use any one of them more than once. Yeah? Then you go on to step 3. You mask your hair. That's heavy. So you use a cap when you have the time and hydrate back your hair and your scalp, and it will help with the itching. This is already in this, so you don't need to add it in it. Yeah? This have everything to reconstruct the hair, to hydrate the hair and your scalp, to straighten your hair, to help with breakage. So this will help with all 3.
Okay.
And this is gonna be a go-to. This is number 3. You know, so this should be number 1, babe. To
So
clean your
always
scalp.
use this?
You can use it when you have scalp issues, like your scalp get dry and when the scalp get dry or bacteria up on your scalp or you want a dry shampoo, this. Yeah, use a cotton or a towel and just clean it off.
Before more go into this?
Before you use anything. Even if you're going to re-oil your hair and your scalp dry and you don't want to wash it, this.
Okay.
And it will grow back here too. Yeah?
Okay.
And this is a leave-in treatment. So this is the one that you cannot do without. So this is every single day. When you're going to blow your hair, when you're going to wrap your hair, when you're going before you cane your hair.
Everything.
If your hair or your scalp feel dry, this is it. Yeah?
Okay.
We put a scarf in there, tie your hair at night time, and a satin bonnet, and to catch up your hair so you don't damage it.
Okay.
Alright. You can come back in and
You're sure you'll say? Alright.
Back home, this is what my hair is looking like. Because I got my hair done today. I'm also on live, so if you see me, I look over here, so that's why. I'm gonna have a little snack. I got this like ramen. It's called shin noodles. I've never tasted it before. Whenever I eat this, like this is what it looks like. I just hope it's not as spicy as like the bulldog one. I know, so the bulldog one, you have to just do a little pinch. I don't like these vegetables that are in there though, so this have to come out. Them something on? They make that to go. No. And I also don't normally fill up the water all the way up to the line because I really like a lot of water in my noodles. So I'm gonna add ginger, garlic, pimento, a little bit of jerk seasoning, a little bit of soy sauce, and last but not least, I have this sweet chili sauce that I've started to put in like everything I eat. You know, I should have tasted it before I did all of this so I could compare. Well, it's spicy, I'll tell you that. Tastes good though. It's very spicy. Right. Okay. I will talk to you guys later. I could just eat my noodles, drink my water, and I don't know, find something to do with myself. So, it's all decided that we're gonna go to TGI and have a drink. Remember earlier I was saying, should I drink a dragon, or I don't know if I was talking to the vlog or if I was talking to my life, but I was contemplating either just drinking a dragon here or making a drink instead of going out and buying one. Well, I'm gonna go out and buy one. I don't know, I'm in a good mood today and I'm going to just take advantage of me being in a good mood. I could just stay here and do what I need to do, which is edit my video, but I just want to go out and have a drink because why not? So this is the fit. Don't know what shoes I'm going to wear yet, so I need to figure that out. Need to find my bracelet. Or do I want to wear these earrings? Nah, can't bother. I'm going to put on my Kate Spade bracelet today. I think I'm going to put on Miss Versace. I'm going out with Shami, by the way. I don't want to drive. If Shami has an option to not drive, Shami not going to drive. So I'm the driver for tonight. And sometimes I honestly don't mind driving. The only time I don't like drive, if it's on a busy night, like a Friday night, if we go like Ruby's or anywhere like that, I don't like driving. Honestly, I would prefer to take an Uber because I just feel like those nights are really chaotic. Or go with man. Go with anybody else. Like, I do not want to be the person responsible for nobody. But on regular nights like these, I don't mind. I talk too much. My hair is just giving. You see my hair? Tea, she's tea. Anyways, I don't know if I'm going to bring the camera or if I'm just going to go and have a time and come back. I don't know. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I went out last night. Me and Shami had a little drink. Came back home and I literally just went to bed. There was nothing else to vlog and the bag that I took with me was too small to bring my camera, and honestly there was nothing to vlog. I just went there, had a drink, had some tacos, chat, and that was it. So now I have decided to take on the task of trying to put away some of the stuff in my living room. Now you guys have never seen that corner of my living room before because it's literally just like
my boxes and miscellaneous items that I have nowhere to store them. So unfortunately, until I get more storage stuff, I'm going to have to put some of the things under the couch and under my bed, and probably try to find some space in my closet. I don't really know how it's gonna work out, but let's see what we can do. I still have some cabinet or cupboard space in my kitchen that has not been used up, so maybe we can use some of that too. I don't know. Let's make something shake, because I need that corner of the room to just be more free. It's starting to look a bit cluttered, and you know, as I accumulate more furniture, it's just gonna get worse. So I need to nip it in the bud now. So let's go. This is what over here looks like currently. It has to change. So let's see what we can start with. Maybe we can start like right here. I'm not gonna throw away this box yet because it's acting as a side table. Just need to find somewhere to put all this stuff. So yeah, let's do that.
Thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare. I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. We both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good. If I could see the walls, I could see you faking. If you could see my thoughts, you would see your faces. Safe in my rental, like an army truck back then.
Oh,
We didn't give a fuck back then. I ain't a kid no more. We'll never be those kids again. We drive the six, had the X6 back then. Back then, no matter what I did, my waves wouldn't dip back then. Everything sucked back then.
Alexa, pause. Let's say grace. God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. Alexa, resume.
I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare. I couldn't see you coming.